So, hey guys, and welcome to Andermatt and the King of the Mountain. Today I'm working for Made In, so I do something for my friend Chris, make a little bit some pictures for him, and I decide also to make some videos and trying to make a vlog like this. I don't know how it goes, but I'm really excited about this day, about this run. I was before a first small run, just look the slope with Moritz together, and it's crazy how these people goes up this mountain. I'm a proved skier, skiing for 30 years. I had my accident this year where I broke my back, and yeah, I decided not to go to the race because some people told me, hey, take it easy and enjoy it, and for me it's of course when I go on the start line I'm getting freaking out. I know how I am, so I decide just to wear a cap as a symbol, not to go on the race. But I will go and enjoy it with you guys. I have now all my cameras with me. I'm also getting back quickly to catch my FPV drone. I'm not really approved about to fly with it, but when I catch some moment with this one battery that I have, cool, I'm really excited of what's coming on. So take this day with me and enjoy the rest of this video. Good. Hey! So,
Gut.
bist du ready?
Frälle. Sicher.
Gut, gut.
Ich hab voll Bock.
So guys, shit happens. I lost my drone. I flew it FPV a couple times. I tried some different moves and I tried to get a little bit deeper once I was really close, but that was really nice shots. And yeah, I had maybe around 50% left on the battery, and I was saying, okay, go back to the start and falling down, so come to my place where I'm staying. But then I lost the signal, and so I get down to the ski lift going up to the start, and from there I have to check if someone saw my drone, or I have to look in this area where I had the last signal. So I hope she is not completely crashed, and more important, I want to have the memory card. Yeah, I have to find my drone and want to show you some videos with my FPV, because it was amazing. It was like a video game. A good place one I had before also, until I lost the signal. Oh my god! Bam! A little bit full of snow, but I saved the drone. I hope she's fine. Look, outside looks good, but a lot of snow inside, so we will see. But I have it.